Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Android phone internet with your laptop wirelessly without any USB cable. So right now you can see on my internet icon I'm not connected to any network, and when I go to any browser and search for anything, it shows me nothing because I'm not connected to internet. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your mobile phone first of all, and then on your Android phone just go to the settings, and then in the settings go to more. So just click on more, and here you will see this option which says tethering and portable hotspot. So just click on this option which says tethering and portable hotspot. And here you will be able to see this option which says portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So just click on this option, and then you will be able to see this option which is the name of your mobile or Android phone. So you just need to enable this toggle button. So just make it on, and once this toggle button is turned on, your mobile will share the internet over Wi-Fi with the other devices. Now here you have the option to configure your hotspot. So you can just click on this option which says configure Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can provide any password. So let's provide any password. I'm going to just give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. You need to give at least 8 character password here. Okay, so for simplicity I have just provided 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but you can provide any password here. Okay, so once you are done with this, you can just go to your laptop. It can be Windows operating system or any other laptop, and then just click on the internet icons here. You will be able to see this mobile hotspot Wi-Fi name here also. This is Honor 8 in my case, which is similar to this one, right? Honor 8 Pro DE 5D. So I'm going to just click on this option here and then click on connect, and then I'm going to give my password which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I will just show this password also, and then click on next, and then click on yes. Okay, so once you do that, your mobile internet will be shared with your Windows laptop. So now I can see that this Wi-Fi connection is established, and I see connected here. So now my Windows operating system is using my mobile's Wi-Fi internet. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this website once again and search for let's say dogs once again, and here I can see everything is working. So now internet is working. So this is how you can share your mobile Wi-Fi or internet with your laptop wirelessly without any USB cable using the Wi-Fi hotspot option. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.